Welcome back to How To's channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use different crypto trading bots. Now we have different crypto bots. Now the first thing you need to do for you to know the exact trading bot you want to use is first you can go to your Google and search for trading bots, crypto trading bots, and let's say they're going to bring out a lot of bots that you can use. You can say these are a lot of bots that you can use. You can say there are a lot of bots that you can use. Now one I'm going to show you is how to use binance trading bots. Okay, so let's go to our binance. Open your binance. When you open your binance, though, let's let's wait for it. Okay, now so what you need to do is once you're using the Binance for your trading and you want to access the trading bot, what you need to do is come to your trade. Once you come to your trade here, okay, come to your trade, and once you come to your trade, you will see your bot at the top here. Just click on bot. And this is it, trading bot. This is it. You can use anything, you auto inference, your sideways, anything you can say. Your trade is going, your bot is going to bring out everything you need to know. Do you want to? You can say auto invest or sideways or bullish. Anything is under your trading bot on Binance. So if you're using another crypto wallet, you can just go there, search for their bot, and they will help you to go through all the apps very well. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.